Today's October 15th, 2016. Out doing some light wheeling at Long Ranch. 4Runner still needs a lot of work before it's really ready. The truck still needs some work too. Time to put it in 4 low if she's gonna climb up stuff. What, Troy?
I'm not roll up that. Oh, she's coming back.
You like seeing her drive up that?
Yeah.
Here's Jason. Eating MRE crackers.
You know, that's a rock curl up right there.
Mm-hmm.
That would be coming from me. I don't think I can make it. No, not yacht. Yeah, he does.
His lockers aren't turned on.
Oh. Yacht are not turned on that. Wait, did he just turn them on?
Yeah.
He turned them on.
Whoa.
Oh, look at your tire.
He's up really high, huh, guys?
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna come check out his tire.
Don't get too close.
I know.
No, stay up here. Stay up here, Nick.
Little black scrapes on his tire.
Jason, stay back. You don't need to get too close because then Nick and Troy are going to want to get close and they'll get run over.
Move, Sean.
Careful.
Can't own it. Don't go down there, Nick. I'm not going to.
Nick, that's close enough, buddy.
I'm waiting to get closer. Come here. I saw me right there. Down there.
What's down there?
Yeah. Down there.
Oh, it's a scorpion.
Yeah, the goopy.
We just saw a scorpion, Jason.
Where?
It just went down there into the grass.
In the grass. Where in the grass?
Right down at the bottom of this rock. Don't go down there.
This thing feels top heavy.
Why?
Because there's a scorpion in that grass.
What does a scorpion do?
They have a little stinger on their tail and they'll sting you and they're poisonous.
Oh. It's poisonous. Mom.
Yes, it's poisonous. It will sting you. It's a good thing you saw that,
what?
Troy. He went
Where's
down.
Mom a lot?
I don't know.
Mommy. We find some in it.
Say scorpion.
We find a scorpion in it. Oh. It's the wind down there near the grass. Let me see. Gone. We're down there in the grass.
Yeah.
Don't make me fall. Where?
Right down there in the grass, at the bottom of the rock. Somewhere hiding in the grass.
I knew it.
Here, watch out. Can't see what's on the side of this tree here.
Guys, this way. Guys, this way. Yes. Where my mommy in it? Come and tip over.
He might tip over, huh?
He might tip.
Coming down. You going this way or that way?
That way. Up there.
Oh my word. Jason, take the boys down around that way. He's coming down right here, so take him around the trees here. I feel bugs on my legs. Okay, stay behind me, guys, okay? Where's Nick? All right.
Nick right there.
Stay right here behind me, guys. Ooh, that's...
Oh, I didn't think he was going down that.
Oh, yeah, that
Guys,
thing is...
let's go back around.
Oh, my goodness.
Yes, move. Oh, no. Back to the tip bullet.
Okay, let's go back.
Go get the truck. Guys, come on.
Hey, guys, get back. Get back off the road. Stay where you're at. Don't move.
Oh, yeah, I lit you. Fly.
He's back there somewhere.
I'm going this. I'm going this. Come on, Joy. That's not very safe. Whoa. Onto this rock, Joy.
Go get the twins, Jason. You can't just leave them behind.
Come on, Nick and Joy.
Remember to put the lockers on.
Oh crap, I forgot. Can't watch her fail. Hopefully she doesn't fail. Oh boy. It does fly. Oh boy. Dad, is your pumpkin that thing in the middle? Am I gonna get down?
There's little Jason. I'm sure you'll figure something out.
I told you I figured something out.
What did you figure out?
How to get down.
Piece of cake. Alright, Kathy, you either have to bump it right there or go back and pick a different line. Bumping it may or may not work. You may end up breaking something depending on how hard you bump it. That's not bumping it. That's not bumping it. You got it. You got it.
I bet the pumpkin hit.
Alright, we're still at Long Ranch Wheeling. I don't know what exactly they call it. Long Family Ranch. If you pay, you can wheel here. And there's a river. You can't drive in the rivers, but after a long hot day, we're going to jump in them. There's Jason getting ready. We did several huge ledges and stuff. Had my clutch smoking again. I need to get deeper gears in the transfer case and or the transmission. Because the guy with the doubler, he crawled up that stuff. He's got a manual with the little 4-cylinder too. And there's Kathy over there getting the twins. You guys gonna come swim with us or what? Who does?
Troy.
Oh, you're not supposed to step in cactus, Troy.
I can't. Did I get it? Did I get it?
Yeah.
Where's Nick?
He's conked out back there.
He's on the floor.
He's gonna fall on the floor. His head's all
Hey, Nick! Nick!
all hanging off the bench. Oh, you got cactus stuck in your shoes. Dang.
Hey.
Boy, look at that.
Nick!
You stepped in.
Let's go play in the water, dude!
You have to.
There's a river here! Oh. Careful with that sucker. There's a river here, dude. Come on. Let's go play in the river.
Okay.
Don't fall out. Step back. Don't fall out. I'm going to open the door. Come on, sleepyhead. Let's go play in the river. Don't fall. Woo! There you go.